Looking for a car phone mount that adapts to your lifestyle? Archon's SM410 3-in-1 bundle delivers just that. Whether you want to mount your smartphone on the windshield, dash, or air vent, this kit has you covered with a high-quality universal holder designed to fit large phones securely and comfortably. What sets the SM410 apart is its Mega Grip phone holder, built to hold smartphones up to 3.5 inches wide without any height limits. It fits popular models like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and even ruggedized phones with bulky cases. The unique side grip technology keeps your phone locked in place with a simple close of the arms, while a one-touch button makes releasing it effortless. The flexibility doesn't stop there. The phone holder works seamlessly with the included mounts, a windshield, dash suction mount and an air vent mount. The suction mount excels in hot climates, thanks to its durable design and 360-degree rotation. You can adjust the arm vertically for the perfect viewing angle, ensuring safe and convenient access to your phone while driving. If you prefer mounting on the dash, the kit includes a 3M adhesive disc that creates a smooth, flat surface mimicking a windshield. This ensures the suction mount sticks firmly, even on textured dashboards. On the other hand, the air vent mount clips easily onto horizontal louvers with upgraded clips, providing a secure hold without blocking airflow. Note that it's not compatible with circular vents, so keep that in mind. One of the best user-loved features is the adjustable padded rests at the bottom of the holder. Many mounts block charging ports or headphone jacks, but Archon's design lets you slide these rests to avoid interference. This means your phone sits slightly askew, but it stays rock solid without any wobble, and you can still adjust the pivot to keep your screen perfectly upright. Drivers who've tried multiple mounts appreciate how the SM410 solves common frustrations with charging and headphone access. The flexibility in positioning and the solid grip make it a reliable companion for daily commutes or long road trips. It's a practical solution that respects the way you use your phone in the car. If you're tired of mounts that don't fit your phone or fail under heat and movement, the Archon SM410 is worth a look. It combines versatility, strength, and thoughtful design to keep your device safe and accessible no matter where you drive. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car setup with a mount that truly works.